If you want to know why you cannot repair your own vehicle anymore, do not ask the dealer. Ask a home mechanic who spent decades maintaining his own vehicles and suddenly cannot access repair information. Ask a backyard technician who inherited automotive knowledge from his father and discovered that modern cars are intentionally locked against independent repair. Ask someone who tried to change their own oil and discovered the manufacturer designed the engine compartment to prevent access. These people understand something that automotive corporations desperately conceal. Modern vehicles are engineered to prevent owner repairs. Not because it is technically necessary, because manufacturers profit enormously from forced dealer dependency. Today, I am revealing exactly why DIY car repair has become impossible and what manufacturers did to eliminate it. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose automotive industry deception and celebrate repair accessibility every single week. If you care about owning your vehicle instead of leasing manufacturer control, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal how manufacturers ended DIY automotive repair. The automotive repair accessibility collapse. 30 years ago, car owners repaired their own vehicles routinely. A teenager could change spark plugs. A homeowner could replace a water pump. A backyard mechanic could diagnose engine problems using basic tools. The knowledge was accessible. The parts were available. The repair manuals were published. Then manufacturers realized a terrifying truth. If customers can repair their own vehicles, manufacturers lose enormous service revenue. Every DIY repair is a lost dealership visit. Every customer repair is lost profit. So manufacturers made a deliberate strategic decision. Lock owners out of their own vehicles. Make repairs impossible without proprietary information. Create dependency, forcing dealer visits. The profit increase is staggering. Electronic control system encryption. Modern vehicles contain dozens of computers managing everything. The engine computer controls spark timing, fuel injection, and emissions. The transmission computer controls gear selection. The climate computer controls temperature. These systems are encrypted. The manufacturer does not publish the code. Independent repair shops cannot access the encryption keys. If the computer malfunctions, the vehicle becomes non-functional. The owner cannot diagnose the problem. He cannot repair it himself. He must visit a dealer paying $150 per hour for diagnosis and $300 per hour for repair. Older vehicles had mechanical systems. An engine was mechanical. A transmission was mechanical. A climate system was mechanical. Owners could diagnose and repair mechanical systems with basic tools. Modern vehicles eliminated this possibility deliberately. Proprietary diagnostic equipment. Modern vehicles require proprietary diagnostic computers costing $8,000 to $15,000. The manufacturer controls access to these devices. Independent shops must pay licensing fees for each vehicle model. The diagnostic information is restricted. Specific repair procedures are proprietary. Manufacturers created a technological barrier preventing independent repair. A home mechanic cannot afford the equipment. A small independent shop cannot access the information. Dealers possess exclusive access. This is intentional monopoly creation. Older vehicles required only basic tools and understanding. Modern vehicles require expensive proprietary equipment only dealers possess. This is not accident. This is engineered dependency. Software locks and anti-tampering systems. Modern vehicles contain software locks preventing owner modification. If an owner replaces a component, the vehicle's computer detects the change. The computer disables the vehicle or triggers warning lights. A mechanic replacing a door cannot reset the door's control module without proprietary software. A technician replacing a battery cannot reprogram the battery's monitoring system without manufacturer authorization. The vehicles become increasingly controlled by manufacturers, not owners. Manufacturers claim this is safety and emissions protection. The reality is profit protection. They want owners dependent on dealer service. Parts availability restrictions. Manufacturers restrict parts availability to dealers. Independent shops struggle to source components. Owners cannot purchase parts for DIY repair. The manufacturers control the supply chain deliberately. A replacement computer module costs $1,200 from a dealer and $200 from an independent supplier. Manufacturers prevent independent suppliers from accessing components. They created artificial scarcity, forcing dealer dependency. Older vehicles had parts available from multiple suppliers. Competition created reasonable pricing. Modern vehicles have manufacturers controlling all supply chains. Prices are artificially inflated. Repairs become unaffordable. Right to repair legal battles. Independent repair advocates are fighting back legally. They want manufacturers required to publish repair information. They want proprietary equipment made accessible. They want parts availability expanded. Manufacturers are fighting these efforts viciously. They argue safety and intellectual property protection. The reality is profit protection. They want to maintain the repair monopoly forever. Several states are passing right to repair legislation. The battles continue nationwide. Manufacturers resist every attempt to restore owner repair accessibility. The financial impact on owners. A transmission failure costs $600 on a 1990s vehicle with simple mechanical transmission. The same failure on a modern vehicle costs $4,000 to $6,000 because the computer controls everything. A battery replacement costs $100 on older vehicles. Modern vehicles with battery monitoring computers cost $300 to $400. Simple, repairs become expensive because manufacturers locked owners out. This is not progress. This is profit extraction, disguised as advancement. What older vehicle owners understand. Mechanics and technicians actively seek vehicles from the 1980s to early 2000s. These vehicles are mechanically simple. They are repairable. They are affordable to maintain. An experienced mechanic refuses modern vehicles because the repair dependency is inescapable. He cannot fix them himself. He cannot source parts affordably. Modern vehicles represent manufacturer control, not owner freedom. If you own a modern vehicle, understand you do not actually own it. The manufacturer controls access, repairs, and maintenance. You lease functional use from the manufacturer. If you want actual ownership, purchase older vehicles, pre-2000 manufactured with mechanical systems and accessible repair. You gain freedom. You gain repair options. You gain financial control over maintenance costs. If you made it this far, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I expose automotive industry control mechanisms every single week. Share this video with anyone fighting manufacturer repair monopolies. Let us build a community reclaiming the right to repair our own vehicles.